Coconut oil can make you look 15 years younger, if you use it for 2 weeks as well. Coconut oil is a great unknown, but it is a great ally for health. Look at all you can do for yourself. 1. Night skin care. Coconut oil will make your face look clean, clear and firm. It penetrates deep into the skin, making it soft, supple and nourished. 2. Eyelash treatment for super lush. Apply coconut oil to your eyelashes before bedtime. This is especially useful if you wear eye makeup, as it can cause loss and lash breaks over time. 3. Combat cellulite. Coconut oil is the best solution to deal with cellulite. Just try this simple recipe. Mix the coconut oil with the honey and apply the mixture to the skin before going to sleep in bed. After several weeks, the cellulite will be gone. 4. Cuticle smoother. Just apply a massage with coconut oil in a dry place to be able to show a neat cuticles and can protect your nail from infections. Varicose veins. Studies say that this is an excellent method for this problem. Just apply a massage on varicose veins, covering very well with coconut oil. 6. Shaving cream without chemicals. Shaving creams contain many chemicals and are very expensive. Coconut oil can replace them, being very economical, natural and keeps the skin hydrated after shaving. 7. Coconut oil hand cream. Solve the problem with dry hands. When applying coconut oil, make them softer and smoother.